How to actually get $5 free with Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to actually get $5 free with Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Method 1. Use a referral code. Get a bonus when you sign up with a referral code. If you don't have Cash App already, you can sign up with a referral code to get some extra money right away. The amount may vary, though most users report getting a $5 bonus when they sign up for Cash App with a referral code. You must send $5 within your first 2 weeks to get the referral bonus, and if you have used Cash App before, you are not eligible to get a sign up for referral bonus. Method 2. Refer your friend. Refer your friends to Cash App to get further bonuses. The amount varies, but most people will be able to get $5 to $15 per referral. You can refer friends by tapping on your profile button in the upper right-hand corner of the app and selecting Invite Friends option. Friends you refer to Cash App must send $5 within the first 2 weeks for you to get your referral bonus, and there is no limit on referrals, so you can earn a bonus for each brand new Cash App user you refer. So, this is how you can get $5 free with Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.